So this is the first package that I received. In this one, I have the Oh, Are You Late 2 album, the Wings album. I have Love Yourself Answer and Love Yourself Tear. This is the next package. Pretty sure this one is Bts World. 5 more albums. The first one is Too Cool for School, School Love Affair, You Never Walk Alone, The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, or the HYYH, Part 1 and Part 2. I bought 2 versions of Map of the Soul 7 from Walmart. I got version 2, and I also got version 3. And this is the last package that I received. This one is Dark and Wild. I'm gonna start with Too Cool for School. This is really pretty. And then there's the CD, and then the photo book. Oh my god. I actually like love that mask. And then there's like the little like drawing. Like literally how much they've grown is just insane. This one, the packaging's already kind of coming off, so it's really pretty and white. So that's what the first page looks like. And then the CD. Oh, I guess this is the poster actually. Let's see. And then the photo book. Yes! Oh my god. I literally have not pulled Jin yet, so this makes me so freaking happy. Cute. Jungkook looks cute. Oh, what's this? Oh! Oh my god. Wait, hold up. That's so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I literally can't wait to flip through all of these. Okay, I'm gonna do School Love Affair. Literally the quality of the albums are just so nice. It's like a flip thing. So there's the CD. And then here's the book. Ooh, cute. Some stickers. Those are so cute. Cute. Yes, I got Jin again. They look so cute. I'm crying. I honestly don't know what to expect when I am opening any of these albums. Like I haven't really watched like unboxing videos or like looked up what you're supposed to get with them, but this is so cute. So that's School Love Affair. Next I'm gonna unbox Dark and Wild. So it opens like this, and inside there's the CD, and then I'm assuming this is the photo book. Cute. Ooh, I actually really like that. Ooh. Are you freaking kidding me? Yes. I literally have not pulled Jimin yet, like ever. This is what I've been waiting for. I've literally never pulled Jimin. He's so cute. And look at them. Why am I literally shaking? Okay, let's look through. They literally all look so different. This is probably one of my favorite albums from them. I love this one in Tear. Jimin's so cute. Ooh. The lyrics are pretty. Oops. Okay, I love it. So that was Dark and Wild. We're gonna do this one next. And the CD's on the back there. Oh my god. I love this. Oh, cute. Is that Jungkook? I literally can't tell. He's so cute. When I'm blind. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna do part 2 now. I love the blue version of this. I kind of wanted the peach version, but the blue is just gorgeous. Literally, Butterfly is like my favorite song from them. Okay, so there's a CD again. I don't like want to ruin the album. Got an OT7. Oh, this is a folder. I love it. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do Wings next. Okay, that was really freaking difficult. That's the version I got. Oh, there's the CD in the back. I don't know if, like, there's so many, like, different versions. Oh my god, yes. J-Hope! That is, he looks so cute. I'm crying. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Stop. These are so pretty. Tay literally looks so good. Oh, there he is. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna do You Never Walk Alone. This book is so pretty. Here's the CD. So the CD's back there. The iconic Bus Shelter. We love to see it. We love to see it. It's so cute. I love it. Let's take a look at the... Oh my god, I love this photo of Jungkook. Taking, love it. Just like really immersed in like looking at these. I love it. So now I'm gonna do Love Yourself Tear. I'm so excited. This is the R version. And this is also like one of my favorite albums. Let's see. We got the notes. Pretty. The stand thing. I love this picture. They're all in white. Okay, and then the poster. I literally love this photo shoot. Okay, so here's the photo book. I always start from the back. I don't know. I'm really scared. Ugh. Oh my god, he's so pretty. Namjoon. Jin, yes. Why is my heart beating so fast right now? Yes! Oh my god, he's so cute. Look at him. I'm actually crying. He's so cute. I literally just went crazy and like bought all these albums, but okay, so next is Answer. I literally love this album, like sleeve, but like look how freaking pretty. I got version L, by the way. Okay, we'll do that after. Let's see what poster I got. Oh, cute. Yes. Oh my god, I literally love this book so much. Okay, so there's the first CD and then the second one. Okay. Ooh, so we got some stickers. I literally loved Jungkook with like his cherry hair. Okay. We love Hobie. Yes. I pulled him twice. He's so freaking cute. Like, look at that smile. Are you kidding me? Ugh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So this one's Bts World and it's soft. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love like pink and purple, so this is gorgeous. I don't play the game anymore, but it was fun for a little bit. Cute. Oh my god. Oops. These are so pretty. Okay, I love it. Yes. So that's the book. And then the poster, which is also really pretty. Ooh! We got Namjoon again. Hell yeah. This is so cute. He looks so cute with his blonde hair. Also, don't mind my hands. I've been painting my bedroom. So cute. Oh, what the heck? So I got Tae and RM, and then the cute little live concert ticket. That's so pretty. Wait, what the heck? They really went all out for this one. That's so pretty. Is that it? I think so. Yeah. When I'm selfish and I didn't want that to end. Oh my god, I'm very happy with these. These are so cute. Also, like, where's my... Oh, when I was like, where's the CD? It's literally right there. It's so pretty. I love it. This is literally gonna be so pretty to display. I'm gonna open up this one first. So this is what it looks like, obviously. Oops. So this is the, I guess like the Black Swan version. Oh my god, I pulled Tae. Yes, I pulled Tae for version 1, I think. So pretty. And then you just get like all of the other additional things as well. And then this is the book. I freaking love like the little sticker that they put on. Okay. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Jungkook's literally so pretty. I love his nose. So cute. Bruh. They're really coming for my neck in this photo shoot. Like, the whole, like, dark and then, like, corset. It's just too much for me. I'm obsessed. J-Hope. Sorry. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy that I pulled Tae. He's so cute. So pretty. Also, like, hello? His fingers are so long. Okay. So that's version 2. Okay, so now we're gonna do version 3. Okay. So here's the poster. Cute. We love to see it. Yes! Oh my god. I'm so freaking happy. Bitch! Oh my god. He looks so pretty. He's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put him over here. Okay, let's look at this photo book. Again, the cute little sticker, literally my fave. I love. Okay, flip through this. Kate J-Hope. Oh my god. I love J-Hope in a suit. I freaking love his eyebrows. Like, what the heck? Jimin. Junie. Dark photo shoot. Oh my god, Yugi. Are you fucking kidding me? Yes, Jin. I'm ruining this one. Let's see. Tae. We love. Oh my god. This like black and white photo? You're kidding. Oh. They really just came for my throat. These concepts are really, I love. I'm obsessed. I just put them back. I'm so happy right now. This is so exciting.